Hi everyone, it's Neil. Welcome to my kitchen, and today I'm going to show you these things. It actually was a 4-pack, and I've already started using one because it was just so cool and I couldn't help it. I think it was, I don't know what color it was, maybe red or something. But so we've got these different color ones here, and what these are, check this out. So it has, I'm going to come up close here so you can see, it's got these silicone nubs. And so they're really kind of soft and flexible. And when you wash your hair, so what I've been doing is put the shampoo in my hair, and then I can go like this and rub it all over my hair. It gives my head a nice massage, and it feels so good. It just feels good just rubbing it even when it's dry, but I don't want to mess up my hair too much for the video. But it is just so super comfortable and super good feeling. And I guess it comes apart like this so you can kind of clean it a little bit. But I haven't done that yet, but I've been using it for like 3 days now. In my shower, I have one of these, and it was weird, it came in a 4-pack. So one of my kids already has claimed another one, so I told him leave it here so I can do the review. But he's gonna take one, I'm gonna have one in Florida, and then I'm not sure, probably one of my other kids will steal the other one. But these are just super good, super comfortable, super fun, and they are, I don't even know what they're called. They're probably some sort of like head shampoo massager or something, but they are so comfortable and good. I totally recommend it. I'm gonna put a link to these in the description so so you guys can pick some up for yourself. I mean, it was like a 4-pack for, I don't remember what it was. It was $10 or $20 or something, pretty inexpensive, but these are so great. So link in the description. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'm gonna be back with some other reviews soon. And take care, everyone. Thanks for watching. Bye.